the utility menu on the Konica Minolta Bizhub. From the main menu, you can choose the utility option. This is where you can go in and set up some different things such as your email addresses or your user box names. You can also do some of the basic settings that you want for the machine. From the one-touch user box registration, if you choose create one-touch destination, address book, and then go into email. From here, you can program in new email addresses to scan to. Just choose the new. You can put in the name of who you're going to be sending it to. Put in one name here. Down below, there is an index, so Holly would be under an H. Down below there, you have the email address, and you would put the actual email address that you are going to be sending that email to. Once you have that completed, hit OK. If you do want to make it a favorite under the sort character, under the index, be sure to choose the favorites option, and now it will be set up on the main screen. At this point, if I hit reset, go into the scanning option, there's the new email that I have created. From the main menu again, go to utility. If we want to create user boxes, you'll do the user box registration, create user box. It is called a public or personal box, and then you can choose a new one. At this point, you can either put your own number on the box or it will create a new number. User box name, you can name that box. And you can also password protect it if you would like to. If you hit the arrow forward, you can choose how long to save things in memory. And close out of there, and you have created a new user box under menu, user boxes, and the box is now available to you there.